I'm Charles Hubbard. I'm the Facilities and Maintenance Supervisor of the school system and also project manager for all the ESSER projects. We have had the ESSER 2 projects that's all been completed. We're now in our final phases of the ESSER 3 projects. About $16 million worth of projects, a lot of HVAC upgrades and things like that. Everything is progressing on time at the moment. The contractors are ahead. We're just waiting on mainly the summertime when school is out that they can actually go into the schools and wrap up the projects that we have done. But it's been a great benefit to our school system as far as from roofing to HVAC and upgrading some science labs that it's been a great addition to the Sullivan County school system in a whole. And we've tried to utilize those dollars at the most needed places that we could and got the projects pretty much completed and most all of them are on time to be completed before the deadline runs out.
And is there one project that probably is the largest one, at least in the ESSER 3 realm?
ESSER 3 right now, we're redoing the whole complete HVAC system at Sullivan Central Middle School. It was over a $7 million project. It's about 90% complete right now. We've got a holdup of the switch gear and the electrical components. We've had a delay on the delivery of that, which is a nationwide problem. So as soon as that comes in, then they can be starting up and the machine and all the units will be ready to be hooked up. They're already in place and tapped in. It's just waiting on the switch gear.